Hello, my name is Frank Lepcha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be upgrading my MacBook Air 17 to a brand new gaming PC, something a little bit more heavier, where I can game and also be productive also. So I ended up, for my PC components, ended up putting everything all together on my own. I didn't want to follow a YouTube channel or like a YouTube list. I wanted to personalize my own PC build. And I tried my best to future-proof my components as much as possible. Obviously, there's a few corners that I ended up cutting, such as PC case and a few other things. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. This is my GPU, AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. This was an open box from Micro Center. It was right around $440. Figured I'd pick this up. For the CPU, I have the AMD RYZEN, the 9000 series. This is the 9900X. This is 12 cores and 24 thread processor. And then for motherboard, I have the MAG X870E Tomahawk with Wi-Fi included. For RAM, I have two Flare X5 DDR5 sticks. For SSD, I have 99 EVO from Samsung, 2 terabytes. For PSU, I have the APX750. For CPU cooler, I have Hyper 411 Nano. First and foremost, let's start off with their motherboard. That's beautiful. Holy. Oh, this is nice. I don't even know what to do. Oh, that's CPU right there. And then you want to be super careful with this. Trying to find the golden arrow, but I do see it. Boom. And just a nice clip. There should do it. So that's the CPU being installed in the motherboard. Next we'll do the SSD. Yep. Gotta get that clicking noise. Nice. Open the gates up. Little thermal paste, little tiny one. Nice. That should be good. Please peel off. Okay. Boom. Damn. Fuck. Does it go like this or this? I can't. Doesn't matter. Gotta look at the menu. I don't think I should have added the thermal paste this early on. Kind of regretting putting the paste on this early on, not setting the cooler up. I guess you live and learn. Yeah, this one I messed up. I think setting up the CPU fan is the hardest part. I don't know why. Seems like a headache. I don't think I should have added the thermal paste this early on. Kind of regretting putting the paste on this early on, not setting the cooler up. I guess you live and learn. Right, I think this should be good. Right, let's go ahead and drop this in. Much better fit. Whew, took way too long. Okay, now we'll be doing the SSD. Okay, cool. didn't catch that in the video, but I was able to slot my SSD in, and let's try that fan back on again. CPU fan 1. I'll wait first. Nice. Ah, nice. Nice. About time. Think everything's put away on the motherboard now. I have the SSD, the RAM, CPU cooler, everything's all put together. I think I just need to put this into my case now, and then just get the cable. Okay, and then the GPU unboxing. Oh. Sheesh. First ever GPU. So my case down, put the motherboard in. There should be good. Probably gonna have to take these off. Maybe I'll start take off the first two. Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oof. Now we'll add the power supply on this end. Here we go. So we have our MONTECH. Should go like this. Put all the cables away neatly. Well, not neatly, but tried my best on this end. Everything should be good. Everything's ready to get booted up. Moment of truth. Sheesh. Oh, nice. Let's go. Don't know what I did exactly, but just restarted my computer. Seems like it's back on. Okay. CPU fans, system fans. Hi, it's been 2 weeks since I finally put my PC together. Gaming and video editing has been a life changer, completely different experience. You know, like overall putting my PC together, I think I had a very positive experience. Some of the things I ended up learning while putting my PC together. Putting CPU fan or putting CPU cooler together in my motherboard, putting them together is way harder than I thought it was gonna be. And also just updating my BIOS system, getting into the software was much harder, took way too long in my opinion. Some of the things that was a little bit easier was putting the cables or connecting my cables within my motherboard together. But altogether, my experience of building my first gaming PC has been very positive experience. Learning to undervolt my GPU and CPU properly. Still don't know what that is. Still trying to find that balance between undervolting my parts properly and not overfrying them, obviously. But altogether, it was just a very fun experience. And I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.